Good afternoon, Brian with Grand Roofing, doing a quick roof leak inspection and possible emergency patch repair for you guys, the homeowners, the DIYers. So first off, met the homeowner in here. They called about a roof leak right inside this window, just within the first foot of the wall right here in this spot. That's where the area is. It was probably like a 6-inch diameter spot of water dripping in. Nevertheless, you want to get it fixed and stopped. The roof is probably about 5 years old, they said. And there's no missing damage, nothing obvious. So typically in that 5-year to 12-year range, 7 to 12 is usually when I see this. Nails in the wrong spot, rusting out. So we're getting close to that time frame. Jump up here, no trees, logs, planes, meters, nothing fell through the roof, nothing obvious. But I do see right off the bat, there's a spot right there where the shingle's a little high, nails a little bit low. There's a few other little areas that you can kind of see that, like right here. But noting the area where that window is in and up just about 3 feet, this is definitely right in the area. I already found it. I went to grab a couple things here because I'm going to show you guys some simple repair patch, emergency patch on how to fix this. So first, diagnosing it. You see the nail? Way too loose. Just today, I shot another video about a very similar issue on a pipe boot, or a box vent. So if you look at this, just lift that just a little bit. You can pull this out here with your finger. Should never be able to do that. It's got sign of rust. It's been doing it for a while. A little too low. You got a penetration here now. Right in through the shingles, through the roof deck, allowing water in. With that being there, when water comes down, gathering up above up here, hits this, surface tension grabs it and just brings it right inside the house, drips in. So if you want to do an actual repair of this, by the way, this is completely 100% free for this homeowner. It's going to take me 5 minutes to shoot this video for you guys and solve this problem. It's going to stop the issue. If you wanted to actually repair it and pay the high cost of repair, figuring it, coming back out, scheduling all that to actually remove some shingles, replace a piece of wood, put new shingles in, you're going to pay for it. You DIYers, you guys out there watching, taking the time, by the way, give it a quick thumbs up. That's why I'm doing this, for you guys to save some money. Simple repair, minimum $150 for some companies, on up to $550, $750, just to get them to come out and do a repair. So this can save you some money. All we're going to do is use a piece of aluminum flashing, spare from the truck. It's got some stuff on it. We're going to use a hammer, flat bar, something to bend it flat. Flat bar to split the shingle. We're going to seal it. We're just going to try to get into this. I'll do what I can to hold this for you. But that's all you got to do. Split this right here, shove the flashing in and up, seal the hole, call it a day. There could be a little spot of bad wood here. If not, you might, it should have a nail over here if it's installed right. So let's just try to hold this and do this. For you guys, it's getting hot. My knees are getting hot. Hopefully this does not shut off. I'm gonna lean it against my shoe here. I have no one to help hold the phone here. It's already kind of loose. This is a duration shingle. We might need to take that one nail out there, split this because we need to get into it. Yeah, there's the one nail right there. We're gonna have to get that nail there to get this piece of flashing in. Reach up in there with a flat bar, pop it out. It's loose. Get your piece of flashing, bend it flat, tap it lightly to get that crease out of it. Or if you have a flat stock, aluminum is going to be better because it's not going to rust. Get some of that knocked down so it's flat. There you go. If you want, you can squirt some up under here on that hole to just help. It'll plus help hold that down from moving anywhere. The object here, the goal, we're trying to get it past that hole, catching anything that might come down on that. Right up in there like that. We've compromised the seal strips to seal it off. A couple dabs, doesn't need much. Put one under there to hold that down. Drop that down. These are hot. All right, if you left it like that, if water dripped in the hole, it's gonna come out on the aluminum. Not a big deal, but we're still gonna address that. Next thing we gotta do is nail this back off using the AJC mag hatchet. Link in the descriptions down below. Tap that off. Try to squirt some sealer right down in that hole. Seal that hole. Couple dabs anywhere you split the seal strip. Sorry, I dropped you there. Press it down in there. You want to make sure anytime you're using a sealer, you're not putting solid lines. It's not good, especially where two come together, because water can get in here, hit that sealer, and run laterally. You want to try to focus it over your nails. So where that nail is holding this shingle down, that shingle is going to be stuck to by sealer near that nail that's holding it down. That you're going to see because the shingle's high, this shingle's low. There's nothing I can do about it, but it is sealed. Just gently try to rub that over right there, and boop, on my foot. The other reason you want to press this down, depending upon how thick and what viscosity your sealer is, if it's raised up, say it's a cold winter day, they're not going to relax and lay down. It will seal, cure before it actually lays flat, and then from low profile, you're going to see it. So very simple thing to do. That's all there is that's needed to this. Just a simple nail in the wrong spot can cause a problem. Again, my name is Brian with Grand Roofing here. Hopefully you got something beneficial. If you're still watching this long, I appreciate it. Give it a quick thumbs up. It really does help support the channel. To recommend it to more homeowners, DIYers, guys like you out there. Honestly, if I need to quote something like this, it's going to be a little time to quote it, to drive and schedule back out here, get the job done, send a technician, repair guy, whatever, me, doesn't matter. So it's going to be in the few $100s, even to do something simple. This took me 5 minutes, 50 seconds to narrate, show, help you guys. So until next time, be safe. We'll see you on the next one.